The XDP high pressure oil standpipe and oil rail plug kit gives you the components needed to replace your oil rail dummy plugs and standpipe in your 6-liter Powerstroke. With time and age, the factory standpipe seals commonly leak, which causes hard starts, high pressure leaks, and rough running conditions. Replacing these standpipes and oil rail plugs when your truck is torn down is an excellent way to ensure proper performance out of your 6-liter. This OE style replacement kit includes 2 standpipes, 2 dummy plugs, 1 CCV tube O-ring, and 1 fuel rail plug. To find out more about XDP's oil standpipe and oil rail plug kit, check out xdp.com or find a local dealer near you.